In this particular project called Rap Pie, then you just need to watch this particular video to the very end, because I'll be sharing a lot of things, a lot of secrets which you just need to know so that you will not fall. Because I've been seeing that a lot of people have been falling, and a lot of, maybe let me say, content creator just like me are not actually telling the people the truth. Yes, you just need to know this truth so that you not just fall, so that somebody will not just get you scam of your hard money. We are here to make money from this airdrop, and because we are using our data, our mobile phones, and every other thing, our energy, our time to farm this particular project. And I think this is the last time I'll be doing anything about Telegram project. Aside from Dog, Notcoin that did very well, you see that a lot of them that have been coming after those particular one have been doing a lot of, just check out what Bloom did just of recent now. No, they came out, they farmed a lot of people, their time and everything. And the last, they still came out with what? That the community never benefited. So if you looked at my previous video, if you have been following me and you look at my previous, the last video where I talked about Pi, you might have been sensing what I was actually trying to say. And this was the video. This is it. I say 5 features that you need to know. And look at the thumbnail here. The thumbnail say rap Pi, stay safe. It was actually a message I was trying to pass to my community. And I think at this time, I don't need to gatekeep anything. I'm not gatekeeping anything, but I'll just reveal the raw truth. In that particular video, I shared about 5 things that we just need to watch out for, which are just the red flags that I saw. Yes, because I'll be the last person to allow my community fall into this particular cheap scam. Yes, later I may be wrong, but this is just something that I've been saying that we don't need, somebody just need to talk about this. And the first thing, remember, if you are watching this particular video, we are working towards getting to our 1,000 subscriber. Please make sure you subscribe, click on the bell notification so you get notified anytime we upload any other video. So the first thing which they did was this particular KYC. If you tap on this KYC, let's look at what they say. Look at what they say about this particular case. You are required to deposit 10 pi to verify your identity. This amount will be refunded after KYC on the 5th of 7, 2025, before unlocking this particular amount of wrap pi in reward and withdraw coin. The deadline is today's now. If you are watching this particular video, the time I'm creating this particular video, which I'll be dropping it today, is 1st of July. So we are told to deposit the sum of 10 pi, and the only number of days that people were given to deposit was just 3 days. That was the red flag I saw. Immediately I saw this particular KYC. KYC should be something that should be easy, yes, for people. KYC is know your customer. Then getting to know your customer, where is this 10 pi coming in? One of the red flags where I shared in the previous video was when referrals became something of easy. Yes, when they added this particular feature of you being able to mine also with your Google Chrome. So with that, people will be able to open numerous accounts. And now you are now saying you want to like make to get some people who are not actually mining that. So those people that now did it, you pave way for them. They did it, and now you say you want to take them off. Who does that? And another thing which I shared in that particular video was all this launching, telling us to deposit. Look at a lot of talking that they were saying they were just launching, telling us to deposit pipe. Look, see, quite all right. What they are building, we love it. We know it's, but things are actually going out of hand. Look at this farming now. Look at this farming. Everything they'll tell you to deposit pi, do this with pi. And one thing I was just actually waiting for them was for the 100 days to get completed, so that we'll be able to unlock if they were real or not. And if you check this one, I could not see it anymore. The one that they say nudes was the first one they did. That if you it was, the nude was like a staking. That you're able to stake a particular amount of pi, you'll be able to be getting some pi for a particular period of time. I think it was 3 months. Then they brought that one. So this way just red flag that telling people to deposit so that they'll be able to unlock Pi. Now, for those who might have come across this video now, who might have deposited, I want to give you a shocker. But before that, let me quickly show you something. Let's go to the 100. I think they have actually removed it. They have actually removed it from here. If not, if you were to go to top 100, it was there in their previous home page. If you were to go to top 100, the first person that was topping them was mining 4,000 Pi on a single day. That was where I was getting suspicious that if everybody is mining this thing in a month, that means the person will be having over, let's say, 500,000 plus Pi. Where will they get the amount of that Pi to pay that such an individual? And what we are being told was that the amount we mine would be 1:1 to what Pi is. This is the shocking one now. Let me show you. For those, quite alright, some people have actually been withdrawing Pi, but now looked at it. Say withdraw all wrap Pi to wallet now. Look at the strange thing now that we are seeing. They say withdraw wrap Pi to Pi network. Enter your 12 passphrase here. My advice is don't do it. Never do it. I don't know what these people are thinking, the thing behind it, what they were actually thinking to see. No project will ask you to deliver your 12 passphrase to them. None. That's why they will always tell you that always keep it, because anybody that have your past 12 phrase will be able to have access to your account. If you're able to give them that particular 12 phrase, I tell you they can do and undo with your account. Withdraw any fund. If you have deposited Pi, you'll be able to withdraw, to change your wallet address that you have inputted there, do anything with your account. So for them now telling us to input our 12C phrase looks very, very dangerous. These are the red flags that I've seen about them, which for now I'm giving it a that will actually make me to give up this particular project. I'm stopping farming this particular project now because they are not showing that they are really sincere. There's nothing sincere about them. But the most surprising thing about them is just that they just started. I think they just completed a month. They started, I think, around 25 of May. Yes, 1 month and some days. I looked at it now. So I'm waiting for your suggestion on what you say about this particular project called Rapai. Kindly drop it in the comment section of this particular video and I'll be attending to you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload another video like this. Thank you. Bye bye for now.